Afternoon, everybody. Today, I would like to look at the Swiss yen. And on the weekly chart, we will see that there is a strong upward move coming from the point where it's now. And the reason why I'm saying that is that if you look at the yellow arrow on top, making a purple arrow here, and we expect another purple arrow in the 61% area of our Fibonacci that we look at. So the target area is about here. Let me just change that color for you. The target area is around here, and it could be anywhere from here to there that we see an upward move. The reason why I'm saying it's a kind of a bigger upward move than this current resistance that you will find here is the color of my resistance here shows and gives me an indication that the market should go higher. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm trading for my own account. This video is for educational purposes only, and this is not a trigger setup or a setup to tell you need to go into the market just now. You need to develop your own triggers. I cannot reiterate that enough. The market, I'm trying to tell you, and I'm telling you what I see for the future in terms of the market to position you strategically for the next move. So what I'm actually saying, buys in future as from next week will be a good thing. Today it's a good thing to stay out of this market this afternoon due to the non-farmable payments. So you can have a look at it later today after the announcements, and then we can look at it. If I take the same chart and I just take a daily view of it, the daily view just confirmed what the weekly view is telling us, and it's showing us a huge yellow candle. That's a turnaround candle, and all arrows are actually in place here. It can go a little bit down, but I expect a stronger upward move to come very soon. If I look at the 4-hour chart, if we quickly scan over the 4-hour chart there, then I like to look at as many charts as possible to make sure I'm there. We can see the Bollinger Bands are actually tightening up a little bit. We see that out of this breakout, we expect an upward breakout. I think this is the only system that will tell you what direction the breakout will come, and this is definitely an upward breakout we're expecting, for which I will be looking for. The signal for the upward breakout has not been confirmed. I can just say I expect this to move down just a little bit to make a kind of footing there, and it can go just beyond, but nothing more than 12 or 20 pips that we can see there. And then I'm going to personally be into the trade, and it's a question of please develop your own indicators and your own triggers. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. The 1-hour chart is giving me the same direction. It's giving me a blue arrow upwards for a long period of time, a lot of hours. You see nothing really transpired here, and the longer we wait for the breakout, the bigger breakout we can expect. So we expect now a breakout to the higher levels for which I'm preparing myself. So get your triggers in place, upward place. Buys in future will be in order for the near future. Thank you, everybody. Have a lovely weekend.